What's going on, guys? Decelation.
What's up, peeps?
Brian. So, do you think they earned what it looks like?
Yeah, they could probably see it. They're gonna see it at some point.
Yeah, I guess you guys are gonna see it at some point. But this is how it came out. Oh man, I am a very happy person. This looks awesome. So this is kind of what the color scheme of the entire car is going to be. I'm ecstatic. So, show the perfect. And I couldn't have planned this better myself, but the satin kind of sheen on the rims matches perfectly the satin sheen on the paint on the body. Seeing the rim contrast, oh my god, this is going to be beautiful. I'm happy. You happy, Brian?
I am. It worked out okay. For a gamble, it worked out okay.
Yeah, that's one hell of a gamble. Man, I don't think I didn't even try and plan the satin on the wheels and the body. That was just a crapshoot, honestly. Man. Well, as you guys have probably guessed it, time for more sanding. Yay. You figure out what you're gonna sand?
Something over there.
Yeah. I'm gonna start taking apart the tailgate and sanding that because, yeah, disassemble to reassemble again because we hate ourselves. But all right. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Brian,
Howdy.
you want to talk about what you did?
Well, we sanded, and then I sanded some more, and then I sanded a little bit more, and probably sanded some more, and cut some more glue out of the grooves, and found a big hole in the grooves.
Yeah.
And it's really thin.
Let's see.
Yeah, if you look from it.
We look from the inside.
If you look from the inside,
Oh,
you can
yeah.
almost see your.
Oh yeah, I can see like your fingerprint. Yeah, pretty intense. But when he did the pass with 400, those 400 grit.
Yeah.
Whew, that's silky smooth right there. That feels good. That's gonna be nice. So, and what I did is I probably mistakenly not put enough hardener in this because this has been drying for about 40 minutes and it's still pretty tacky. Hopefully it dries overnight. If not, I'm gonna be very, very upset.
Put a glove on. Put like a little dabble of
harder
on your finger and just smear it around the top of it.
That's actually not a bad idea. Yeah.
Yeah, if any of you guys got to do anything with this, there's a very fine line between it never drying and it drying while you're trying to stir it. So if you remember from
He has a point.
the last part of the video when we were doing the inside, I had to mix that stuff up like 4 times because it would harden before I could even spread it on the thing. So
yeah,
probably a gram. There's a 1 gram buffer between goop and solid.
pretty much. So we're gonna wait till the next day. Well, I've got stuff I have to do, so it'll probably be me solo working on the last little bit of this video, because tomorrow I have something to do, then Brian's gonna be working, so yeah. Yay.
Yay, work.
I know, right? Come on, subscribe, people. Maybe we can make enough money to where Brian doesn't work. Worth a try. All right.
It'd be worth a try. Maybe a lot of people subscribe.
See you guys in a few. All right. Welcome back, guys. Back to sanding. This dried finally. This took forever to dry. But yeah, I'm come back and sand this. Hopefully we'll get this fully sanded, looking good. And then I can put some paint on this as well. Well, it's gonna be multiple stages because I gotta paint front, back. You'll see. All right. So looks like I'm gonna get back to work. Yay. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So, if you don't put enough hardener on there, it never hardens. So I had to sand all that stuff up, destroyed a sanding pad, but actually 2 because they're on the sander as well. So I'm gonna fail on the side of a little bit more hardener, and hopefully I can get all the spots covered in before it turns to a rock. Yay! So yeah. Time to reapply body fill and wait. Welcome back, people. So as you saw me sand. After I did another coat, got all of this smooth. There was just some pinholes on this one. The rest of the entire thing is nice and smooth. So I'll wait for this to dry, sand this, and then I'm probably gonna paint the underside, and then finally at the end paint this side. It's coming along. All right, stay tuned, guys. Alright, welcome back, people. I got the other side fully prepped, no holes, no gaps. Got everything sealed and flat and smooth. Now it's time to prep the paint. So I'm gonna paint the backside first, and then I'm gonna paint these, because this is all getting painted black. So you're gonna watch me prep, like sand this, sand these, get those nice and scuffed up, and then I'm gonna paint them. And then once I do all the coats that's necessary on these, I'm gonna flip this over, kind of tape off what I don't want to be recoated or covered in black, and then I'm going to, covered in gray. So yeah, and I'm gonna paint it the gray. You guys meant what I knew. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be back. Welcome back, guys. So as you guys saw, you saw me just lay down some paint. So the way Steal It works is you have to lay 4 wet coats and then let it dry for 6 to 24 hours, then lay 4 more wet coats. So I laid the first 4 coats. So you guys understand the theme now. Anything that's metal on the truck is going to be painted black. Anything that's actually black, or the body, is going to be that Steal It gray. And I think you guys earned a look at this. So I put the grill on, and I attached everything, and I attached the headlights. So this is the look. I think it came out amazing, and even the sheen on the rims, matches the sheen level of satin on the grille. So that's what the car's gonna look like. That's gonna be the body color. Cannot wait. But thank you guys for watching these videos, especially the endless sanding. We did get some other stuff in, so I'm not exactly sure what video is going to be next. We do have something cool to kind of install out of necessity for getting it registered, but we'll show you that next. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let us know, hit that like button, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Looks so good. All right, have a good one, guys.